Hi guys! All right, here is our next lesson in Super Kids. And what we're going to do today is we're going to look at this big picture and we're going to find things once again that start with the K sound. So I want you to look at this picture and I want you to see Cass. I want you to think in your head, what is Cass doing right now? That's right. Cass is mixing a bowl. She's in the kitchen and it looks like she's cooking something. I wonder what she is cooking. She has lots of ingredients over here. I see some ketchup. I see carrots. I don't know what we'd eat with ketchup and carrots, but I bet it's going to be something yummy. Maybe she's making like a meatloaf or something and added some carrots into it. I'm not so sure, but she has a cookbook in front of her to help her make her recipe. So the first area we're going to look at is this wall right here. And I want you to look on this wall and find things that begin with the K sound. So the first thing I see is the same as we saw yesterday, and that clock. We saw the clock. I'm going to give you a minute just to look around and look in the cabinet, and I see several things that start with the K sound. So look in this area right here. All right, did you find some stuff? Good. Okay, so in the cabinet, I see some crackers. I see some cocoa. Raise your hand if you've ever had some hot chocolate, also known as cocoa. Sounds good to me. I see a calendar on the wall. I see I'm getting close. Maybe some coffee in that cabinet. Now we're going to look over here on the wall here by the window. Do you see some stuff that starts with the K sound? I see lots of stuff. I'm going to give you a minute to look around. Good. So this funny plant right here, we don't see many of these in Florida, but they have them in other states, and it's called a cactus. A cactus. Good. And then I see some pictures of vegetables and fruit that start over here. I see some corn and carrots and cantaloupe, and then a lot of dirty dishes. And then on the counter, this part right here is called the counter, where it looks like she is making some cookies. And she has ingredients over here to make some cookies. I see a cookie jar right here. She really must like cookies. And over here, do you see? I see a few things that start with C on these shelves over here. I see some candles. And this is called a colander. This in the kitchen is called a colander, and it makes the water come out of the holes. So if you're making pasta and you want to drain the water, you're going to use a colander. I see some cups. I see a cow, the cookie jar, some crackers in the jar, the carrots. I see a big old cat right here. So there's lots of things on this page that when you're going throughout your day, maybe you want to go in your kitchen and find a few things that begin with the letter C that makes the K sound. Alrighty. Finally, we're going to play a game. It's a riddle game. So I'm going to tell you a joke, and you're going to tell me what it is. We just talked about a lot of these things on this page. So the first one is, I am orange with green leaves and crunchy to eat. What on this page is orange with green leaves and goes crunch when you eat it? Carrots! That's right, the carrots make a crunch sound. Okay, here's one that's going to trick you. Are you ready? I have lots of numbers on me, one for each day of the month. Do you see it? The calendar! Okay, you can watch me grow in a clay pot, but don't touch me. This is the plant I said that we don't usually have too much in Florida, and it has really pokey things on the end of it. It's called a cactus. Cactus. All right. Oh, this was the one that we used to make pasta. In a bowl, I'm a bowl with lots of holes. Water drips through me. Do you remember what that's called? A colander. Very good. And last, I'll tell you how to cook your favorite food if you open me up. So this is something I need a lot of because I'm still learning how to cook. And it helps you cook, and you have to read it, and it gives you instructions. It's called a cookbook. Very good, very good. All right, so you're going to go on